This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook pecan steak. First, choose a thick, well-marbled cut like a 1 1/2 inch thick ribeye or New York strip for optimal results, aiming for about 12 ounces per serving. Pat your steaks completely dry with paper towels. This step is essential for a beautiful sear later. Lightly season both sides with 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper per steak, allowing them to sit for 10 minutes at room temperature. Now let's prepare the star of our dish, the pecan crust. In a shallow dish, combine 1 cup of finely chopped pecans with 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined and have a slightly damp, crumbly texture. This mixture will adhere perfectly to your steak, creating an irresistible layer. Gently press the pecan crust mixture onto one side of each seasoned steak, ensuring an even, thick layer covers the entire surface. Heat 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat until it just begins to smoke. Carefully place the steaks crust side down in the hot pan and sear for exactly 3 minutes, allowing the crust to become golden brown and fragrant. Do not move the steaks during this initial sear. Transfer the skillet immediately to a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking for 5 to 7 minutes for a medium-rare steak, or longer for more doneness. Use an instant-read thermometer to check the internal temperature, aiming for 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Once cooked, remove the steaks from the skillet and place them on a cutting board, tented loosely with foil. Let them rest for 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum tenderness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.